is what your affiliate influencer partners will see as they get access to your program. So first and foremost, what we're giving them is a unique referral link, so you can see this front and center. Your partners can copy this link and paste it anywhere that they have access to online. So that can be a website, a blog, social media channel. Your partners are going to get credit for anyone who clicks through this link here and ends up on your website. We also have social media shortcuts here to make sharing really easy. So for example, to share on Facebook, we can hit this Facebook button. This is going to log us in. So if I'm a partner of yours, this one-click link to Facebook is going to log me in. It'll tee up this post, which I can then share from a computer, or I can also do this from a tablet or from a smartphone. So whatever device I have, as long as I'm on your dashboard, I hit that Facebook button, tees up a nice looking post that looks like this, so making things really easy for me, making things really easy for our partners. All they need to do to get this shared out there is hit one additional button, the post to Facebook button. My friends and followers then will see this post from me come through their respective Facebook feeds. And as these people click through or tap through the post, credit is going to go to the person who shared it. Same idea on Twitter, so easy enough. Hit the tweet button here, logs us into Twitter, tees up a tweet, and then with an additional click, we can tweet this out. Our followers are going to see this come through their tweet streams, and as they click through or tap through, credit is going to go to the affiliate who shared it. Same idea, we've got Instagram, we also have WhatsApp sharing, we also have text message sharing. These are going to be available from our mobile devices. The way that this works is that your affiliates are able to access this entire dashboard that I'm showing you directly from their smartphones. The easiest way to do that is for them to grab our mobile app. It's also called Affiliate Dashboard, available for both Android and for iPhone devices. They install the app. They will input their email address. We will then recognize them as a member of your affiliate program, and again, put your entire dashboard directly onto the convenience there of their smartphones. Sales funnel, so this updates in real time, so the number of visitors, number of signups, number of purchases, and then commission payments in the bottom row down here as well. These also accrue as we go. Our marketing materials tab has things such as banner ads, infographics, so that folks with websites can just copy and paste the HTML here, and then they'll be able to not only get access to the artwork, but also credit for folks as they are clicking through. And then we've got other various bells and whistles on the left here, so you can add these as you would like. One that I do recommend is our affiliate newsletter archive. So we let you send out newsletters from within LeadDyno. You can also use partner systems. If you are a HubSpot user, Aweber user, MailChimp user, you can send out affiliate newsletters through one of those tools. Let me show you the one that I sent out 10 days ago to our affiliates. So this is a format that I found to work well, that I like to follow, where I kind of give everyone a heads up on things. I let them know that, let them know what's new, let them know any new partner things. Give them a heads up that cash is going out the door. That's always a nice way to get people's attention. You let them know that folks are getting paid, so that inspires them to log into their dashboard. I will take you through the sending of this newsletter in LeadDyno itself. Let's actually go ahead and move over there now. So I'm going to hit up LeadDyno by going to app.leaddyno.com from any browser. For our Shopify and BigCommerce folks, you can get there directly from your Shopify or BigCommerce stores as well. You've got a little shortcut in there. I'm going to take you through our content area and then our tools area. So these are right down the middle here on the left-hand side. The content area is where you're going to customize the affiliate website that I just walked you through. So we've got everything going here. So we'll be able to customize everything throughout. If you want to run with our mobile-friendly version, you can select our color scheme. Everything throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable here as well. We can also insert images. We can also insert links. We can update HTML directly. We do support custom CSS. So if you want to further style the page to your heart's content, you can do that right here. And then we can also have them opt into a terms of service agreement right here if you would like as well. What else do we got going in our content area? So from our Facebook post, the tweet that we showed you earlier. So how do we go ahead and define that content? So that's also going to be here in this area. So you can pre-write the Facebook post. This is how we're defining where everything's going to go. So this is going to be the URL, this is going to be the title, this is going to be the body, and then this is going to go out to folks that are seeing the shares go through Facebook from your affiliates. So same idea on Twitter. In my experience, I think if you can lock and load this stuff for your affiliates, they're much more likely to share. You're going to increase the amount of social media sharing you have probably by perhaps an order of magnitude. So that's going to be a really big thing for you. Now, of course, they can rewrite things. So when they are sharing to Facebook, if they're so inspired and they want to write something different or add something, they are more than welcome to do that, but they don't have to. That's kind of the important thing here that we got going. All right, let's get into our tools area. So I promised I would show you how I send out the affiliate newsletter. So I do have some shortcuts in here for you to send out the newsletters. The one that I use on a monthly basis is going to be our program update. This is a nice basis for an email that you can send out. It has all the basics that I talked about in here. Go ahead, make any edits to it that you would like, sign your name to it, and be off and running. You can flip through the various templates if you would like. We got different things available here. You are more than welcome to choose from these. We also have some automated emails. We got these templates dialed in as well, and these are nice because they're going to go out based on certain events without you specifically having to do anything. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up with you, we can send them this welcome email. It contains their affiliate link. It contains a link to their affiliate dashboard. So we got everything that they need to get up and running here. We can also let folks know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, number of leads, number of purchases that they got credit for. And we can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase if we would like as well. All right, let's get into affiliate recruitment. We're going to tackle this from two angles. One is that I'm going to show you how to grow that program organically, and then we'll tap the affiliate network, which is the free benefit of being a Lead Dino user as well. Okay, our affiliate invitation email. So the purpose of this is to invite our new customers as they buy from us to join our affiliate program. So nice way to get a 2-for-1 where we've got a new customer and hey, why don't we see if we can turn that person into a new affiliate of ours at the same time. Not much we need to do beyond enabling this email. We can go ahead, sign our name to it, off and running, and it's going to go out automatically if we have it enabled to those new customers as they buy from us. Now, a question I have here is, do affiliates get perturbed here if we offer customers the ability to become affiliates? In my experience, no. On my program, the more the merrier. Most of our affiliate and influencers, they've got their own audience. That's what we are working with them on. So they've got their own audience, our own customers, they have their own reach. So I haven't seen any negative feedback from folks in terms of allowing extra people into the program in terms of and I haven't seen it with our customers either. Most folks have their own audience, they have their own followings, and that's who they're going to promote to, and probably unlikely that we're getting overlap because we're not all sending out Amazon affiliate links here. That's a nice thing about Lead Dino powered affiliate programs is that we've got some niche that we have and usually unique products that we are promoting here. So we're not just going to the same old Amazon link that everyone uses and makes a few percentage points off of. So that's been my experience here. Of course, every business different, every individual is different, but that's been my experience here. Let's get into the affiliate network because I also want to show you that, and then we'll do the questions. So I still got that setup question here. So our affiliate network is going to get you listed in one of our 21 different product categories. What we do is we feature your affiliate program here. So we'll do a little write-up where we talk about your product, we talk about your affiliate program. Folks can hit the apply button to join. Then with a single click, they can apply and get access to your program there. So nice way to get exposure to the affiliates, influencers who might be outside of your current reach. We also have a Facebook page here that we do promote you on, as well as we send out newsletters. Let me see if I can get a shot at one of the newsletters also from our Facebook page. So we're doing promotions on individual affiliate programs here, and then here's a health newsletter we sent out a couple of days ago, so featuring 5 pain and relief related health affiliate programs. So talking about a niche within a niche, that's what we're doing here as we are sending this out to our health and fitness focused affiliates and influencers. So Get Your Boom Back is a longtime customer of ours, and we do get them slotted into many of our health newsletters here. So this is something we'd love to do for you if we can get you going in the feature stuff here. Let us know. I can actually work with you directly on this. All right, let's go ahead and get into questions. Let me remind everyone, we do one-on-one phone calls as well. So if you want to walk through setup stuff, setup specific, I'll get you the link here to our leaddyno.com/support if you want to book a one-on-one phone call. Copy and paste this in the chat window for you here. So the setup question that we have, is it possible to have an affiliate send a link to a business, fill out a form, we tag them as a lead generated by the affiliate, and we're not doing a purchase? So yeah, that would be fine. LeadDyno would then tag the lead, and they would associate that lead to the person. So that lead would then come in here. That would be all done automatically. So on the source, you would see that happen right here. And that is actually a common use of LeadDyno, where we do have folks who are doing referrals and they may not have a full running purchase and shopping cart and all that stuff here. Let's see, Shopify. So if we got somebody interested in getting LeadDyno set up with their Shopify store, so this would be a nice, easy installation. One click will do it. So this is the link to our Shopify app. So go just hit the add app button, and this will put LeadDyno on your Shopify store, and that will do everything that you need it to do, and track the visitors, track the leads, and track the purchases. All right, so it looks like we're good on questions. So let me leave you with our support info again. If you think anything Friday over the weekend, we do have folks on all weekend long. Brett at leaddyno.com who's back to me. So if you think anything from me, please let me know. Otherwise, I thank you for joining. So hope it was helpful today. Stay in touch. Let us know how we can help with your affiliate program. Love to get you running. Love to work with you. So keep us posted on how everything is going, and do hope to hear from you soon.